ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಪ್ಪ? ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ MCQ ಮತ್ತು 2 marks ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ನಾವು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ದ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ. ಇಯರ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಆಸ್ ವಿ ನೋ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಏನೇನು ಬರೀಬೇಕಪ್ಪ? ಜಾವಾ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದರದ್ದು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ಸು, ಯಾವುದು ಡೇಟಾ ಟೈಪು, ಲಾಜಿಕ್, you have to explain, right? I'm not going to write the flow chart and algorithm. So question number 3 is always related to the section 3. Sorry, question number 3 is, what is the class name he has given? Hotel. You can increase the screen. Okay, hotel. And what are the member variables he has given? One is name store the name of the customer name. Okay, what is the data type? String. And mobile number, as we know, it is a 10-digit number, means we go for the long integer. Next, to store the number of days customer stayed in the hotel. That is the input. Based on the number of days, we are going to print the bill. It is also customer bill. Next, void input. He has given the void andre it is not going to return anything. As we know, the return type void andre ಏನಂತ, input the scanner class, input the value using scanner class, and the charge, calculate the bill. Okay, bill ಯಾವ ಥರ? First 3 days 100,000 rupees, next 4 days 900 rupees, 7 daysಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ 800 rupees, right? And void print, display the customer name. And after that he has given one, what is this? Bill is equal to bill plus, after finding all the how many number of days iddanta, plus 18% GST. So invoke all the methods in main method with the help of an object. So ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಟು, ಚಾರ್ಜು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಿಂಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ಗಳು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಮೇನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ you have to invoke the method. So as we know, to use the scanner class means the first line is import java.util, that is the package. Okay, next, what is the class name he has given? Hotel. And what are the variables? String, name, long, mobile number, in days, bill. And input, we are taking the input. Illinda tagadodu input only scanner class. So you can use another one, system.println, enter the name line. Next line, for accepting the input as string with space, mobile number, see that next long, and days. Charge, if days is less than or equal to 3, bill is equal to days into 1000 rupees. Else if days is less than equal to 7, bill is equal to, first 3 daysಗೆ 1000 ಔಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೆಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಡೇಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ into 900. ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 daysಗೆ 1000, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4 daysಗೆ 900, in remaining daysಗೆ 800. After finding bill, then you can find out bill is equal to bill plus 18% GST. 18% means 18 divided by 100. Then in the print you can use name, mobile number, bill, and you can write the main method, create the object. What is the class name? Hotel. The same class name to take ob.input, ob.charge, and ob.print. So this is the way we can run the program. Next, variable description, name, string, mobile number, long, days, didn't, bill is this. S is the scanner, and OB is the hotel. What is the data type, right? And description, it was going to print. So for this question you have 15 marks. You can expect one question. The question number 3, it is like this: electricity bill, discount, price, anything on ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. You are going to write the 3 sub methods according to what is the name he has given, and write on the main method and create the object, and you can invoke the method. Simple one. Next we can go to the define a class, accept 3 into 3 array, and print product of each row. 3 1 2 4 2 1 5 1 2, row 0, first 0, 3 into 1 into 0, 3 into 1 3, 3 into 2 6, correct. Row 2, 4 into 2, 4 into 2 3, 8, 8 into 1 8, correct. Next 5 into 1 5 into 2 10. Okay, now what is the thing? You're going to row wise ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೇಕನ್ int is equal to 312 421 512, or else you can write on by using the scanner class. You can take the input to the scanner class, how many number of rows, 3 number of rows and 3 number of columns, then you can use the scanner method, scanner by using the next hint that I can accept. Next, as we know, so if it is rows and columns, we go for the nested for loop. I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus, and you can initialize. What is the initial value of product? That is 1. If it is 0 means every time you will get 0. So the initial value of product is 1. J is equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. Product is equal to product into A of ij. The initial value of product is 1. A of ij, first initial value of I is 0 and j is also 0. Here it will come. First position is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. Next it is, what is the value of j become? 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. Next 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. After that, the nested for loop is going to close. Then it's going to print what is the product of each element in row wise. And we can, next I can go to what are the variables I used. A is the array variable and it is a integer, and I and j is number of rows and number of columns. Product is to store the product. And what is the initial value of product? 1. If it is a, instead of product, if it is a sum, here instead of product is equal to product into A of ij, sum is equal to sum plus A of ij. What is the initial value of sum? You can take 0. Instead of 1, you can take 0. That's it. Right. Next, we can go to the question number 5. Define a class to overload. Okay. Overload means that is the method overloading or function overloading. The same, all the methods having the same method name but different parameter, different set of parameter, right? And different, what do you call, different return type. So what is the first method he has given? The return type is int and the transform, and what are the parameter he has given? Int n. So you're passing the n, it is going to return the number. What is the, it's going to return the sum of digits. So sorry 4 plus 5 plus 8 has been 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 17. Okay, that we can use by the for loop or while loop. And while transform on uppercase to lowercase, that is the easy one. Put that here. Yes, start uppercase ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಮುಗೀತು. Next, to take 3 number of rows and 3 number of columns using nested loop. And the character is, what is the input? What is the method name here? Method name is over. Sorry, class name is over and method name is transfer. And the character. ಇದು nested for loop ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ವಾ? Let's take a class. What is the class name? Overload, integer, transfer, and you are passing the int n, and sum is equal to 0 while n is greater than ಇದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ extracting the 8 digits, and as ಇದು ಸ್ಪೈ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ, sum is equal to sum plus ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. And the return type is here integer, so I can use return sum. If it is a void, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್, ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ರಿಟರ್ನ್. Next is y transfer. What is the second method says? You are going to uppercase, right? Yeah, s dot to uppercase, and the last one is character. Next you can use I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 3, j is equal to 0, and you are passing the character. And in the public static void main, after the 3 methods, you can create the object overload t is equal to overload. Then here, because we are passing, we are in the first method, we have used the return type is return, right? The integer system out dot println t dot transform. You can pass the value 458. It is going to return. Then birthday 17 birthday. Next blue, everything is capitalized, and t dot transfer. Transform ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು input ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು? The character. So it is, you are going to pass the heart symbol. You will get it. Okay. So what all the variables we have used? N, sum. You must write variable description 3 marks irutte. While writing, you should know that. Next, I go to the question number 6. Find a class to accept a string check if it is a special string or not. A string is a special if the number of vowels is equal to number of consonants. Okay, now vowels ಮತ್ತು consonants. So this one we have discussed. Okay, so define a class to accept means you are going to use the scanner class and you are going to check vowels are equal to consonants. As we know in the English, A, E, I, O use the vowels and remaining all are consonant, right? So public static void main scanner and string, and he has taken initial value of vowel is also 0 and the default value you can take 0, enter a string and your accept that you can convert to upper case. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ upper case ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಏನು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಏನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಸ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸಿಂದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಗಂಟನೂ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ this is very very important. This line is you are extracting the character from the first index and this is s dot length is the method to find the length of string. ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮೈನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ, 4 ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 0 1 2 3 ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು, ನಾಟ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್, ರೈಟ್? ನಾವು can between you can after extract and you can compare between capital A to Z. Why capital A to Z? Because we have converted to uppercase, right? If it is a small case converted to lower case means that is 8 small a to Z, and after that if character is greater than A and Z, next ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ if it is A to E, A, E, I, O, U ಇದ್ರೆ OL plus plus, else it is a consonant plus plus. Once you find it, after everything for loop is run ಆದಮೇಲೆ it's going to find how many number of vowels and how many number of columns, then you can print number of vowels and consonants, then you can use if vowels is equal to consonants then it is a special string or else it is not a special string, right? This is the easy program. We can use different number of different logics, but I have used this logic. Okay, then you can use SCS is a string vowels consonants I and CH. So what are the variables you have used? Next we can go to define a class to accept a number and check the sum of first digit and last digit is an even number or odd number. Okay, he'll give the 4-digit number here he has given. So you are going to check what is the first number. First in the number first digit 2 plus 6 8, 9 plus 6 is 15. So sum is even, sum is that. In class name we can take I have taken the first public static and I have taken n directly, or else you can use the scanner class accepting. Better you can use scanner class accepting the as a teacher, and as we know we can get the last digit in modulus 10 while n should be greater than or equal to 10. So ಇದು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೇನು ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ n is equal to n by 10 int sum is equal to ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಟ ವೈಲ್ ಲೂಪ್ ರನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಟ ಅಂದರೆ ಎನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ವೈಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನಗೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಕೋಶಂಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಕೋಶಂಟ್ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು 10 ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಿನಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್, as we know you are going to count, right? Sum is equal to n plus, here n is the first digit and last is the last digit. After that you are going to count, sorry, after the count ಆದಮೇಲೆ sum ಮಾಡೋ ಅಷ್ಟು this is even number odd number. If it is even, that is a sum is even, else it is odd. N is the store the given number, last is the store the last digit of number, and n is the given later used to extract the first digit. Yeah, sum store the first digit. This is simple topic. Or else we can use another one logic. This one for first digit, if it's a 4-digit number means divided by 1000 also we can use, right? So you will get 2. Next is question number 8. Let's say define a class to accept bubble sort. Okay. This is a single dimensional array program. As we know, we have linear search, binary search, selection sort or bubble sort. You can expect one question from this. Here is using bubble sort means is going to compare the consecutive next value, next teacher, or next character, or next string, consecutive, next bar, and if it is less than that, it is going to swap, right? It is a concept of compare and swap. Compare and swap until unsorted array becomes sorted array. So we are going to take the 10 digits because the question is in 10 it is. After that, you are going to enter the 10 digits here. This is accepting the this is the accepting the 10 digit number. Next, as we know, this is taking the values and it's going to compare a of j is greater than a of j plus 1 means j plus plus means consecutive integer. If it is greater than that, the second number is less than the first number means that you are going to swap here, right? After everything is over, the for loop is going to close. Next, you can next you can print by using the another print state for loop and print statement once it is over. Next we can go to the what is the variables you have used s, c, t, y, j, right? So this is the last program, right? Yeah. So now as we know in the ICSE 10th, you should know the so question number from question number 3 to question number 8. So question number 3, question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 6 questions you need to write any 4. In that, one question from the single dimensional array, one question from the two dimensional array, one question from the method, one question from the method overloading, one question from the number and one question from the string. In that, which one you ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಕು at that one you can prefer because we have 2 hours of time. In that you have to write for 100 marks and you have to write the Java program along with the variable description. And in all the program you can write on minimum 3 to 4 comment also. It will be better presentation. I hope all you understand. And you can see the old year question paper and new year question paper, specimen question paper. Try to solve it and all the best. Thank you.